Na 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 na.
Hi guys, in this vlog I want to share with you our short trip to Cebu. We fly out from Clark International Airport via Cebu Pacific and the travel time is around 1 hour and 30 minutes. First thing we did when we landed in Cebu was to eat lunch since we arrived around lunchtime na, and then went straight to our hotel, Costa Bella Tropical Beach, and then our initial plan was to swim agad-agad to enjoy the resort, but bagsak kaming lahat. You should check out this hotel and resort if you want a peaceful environment during your vacation in Cebu. Although an hour away siya sa Cebu City dahil it's located in Mactan. But sobrang sulit at sa sobrang pag-enjoy namin sa resort na to, ngayon pa lang guys, sinasabi ko na wala kaming masyadong napuntahan na tourist spots. First night namin, supposed to be pupunta kami ng Tops, but hindi namin in-expect yung layo ng biyahe. So, nagpunta na lang kami ng Sugbo Mercado, which is a popular night market here in Cebu.
Welcome to Tea's Vloggers!
Bakit vlogger?
Are you questioning me, madam?
Ngayon po ba ito yung nagtatanong mail? So, hi guys.
Alcohol, guys. Hi guys, always wash your hands for...
Hi guys, want some alcohol? Hi! So, ano to? Sugbo Mercado. Sugbo Mercado. Please focus. Yan, okay. Let's go. Hello, umuul. Ay, lumakas na nga! Hindi pa kami kumpleto.
Papakita yung pila ko.
Mga tao naman. Ay, sige. Sila na lang yung nakita.
Ang laki kasi ng mga to.
Sige siya, kita yung phone ko. Okay na ako.
Come on guys, give me my money.
Lalagay ko na dito ha.
Dan, where's my wallet?
Wait na ako. Ay, Dan!
May 500 ka, Ting.
Thank you.
Ah.
Yan, ang dami kong pera guys, look.
Ang saya.
Yun eh.
Tama ka na, dinadodge mo ko. Ano ba yan?
Wait daw.
Huwag mo ko i-judge. Ito lang nadala ko. Oh. Pag ang tagal niya ako i-judge. Kaya ako man-judge
I
sa'yo.
already prepared all the things. Diba sabi nyo kasi is white.
And you thought that's white.
White! Blue! This is my sunset, oh. Oh, sunset.
Akala niyo pala, isang outfit yung tatlong yun.
Pati yung manager ng Uniqlo, pinahirapan namin. Dapat pala shades na lang. Eh, yung shades ko orange.
Actually, kung ito na yung dala ko. Kasi ito kasi, this is ROI na kasi. Tingnan mo naman! Tuman ng bumili, nagpapabili ako sa'yo. Sabi mo, huwag na lang kasi para ito. Hindi tayo magastos.
Ako.
Ito, kay Thea.
Hindi mo na bukas yan?
Ayoko na dyan. Pati ako na...
Ito lang, sige, this one, saka this one. Yan! It's the new one size of the year.
It's all about being creative. DIY.
Stay wait lang, di ba?
Morning!
Morning, guys! Hello, you guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Yun na naman siya.
Ganyan sa akin. Ganyan yung intro.
Oo nga eh.
Hello, Cebu!
It's first day. Video talaga yun. We're going on an island hopping today. Parang Islam. Pupunta kami sa Islang Pantropical. This is the outfit. T-shirt, short. That's it. Outfit check. Yes. Uniform namin ngayon ay white. Room tour. Tingnan natin gaano kagulo ang room. Yun yung CR. Toilet. May bathtub. Ano ang bed. Ano yan?
Hazel, nasa iyo raw yung mga meds.
Guys.
Yes. We're ready! Naka-pour mo na sila, guys. Ako nakapambahay lang.
Asa na si Kiko?
Ano si Kiko?
Naka-Sharon.
Artista naman.
Ay, manghihingi ulit ako ng clips kay Sharon for my vlog. Kasi tinamad na naman ang person.
Hello guys! Say hi to the vlogger! Be careful guys! So,
as long as I'm able, scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. And move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Hi guys, we're going to our second island. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa aming second destination.
hindi.
Ang plano kasi, dapat, nasa South Cebu kami ngayon.
Yeah, so nasa Mactan na lang kami.
Diba, nag-concentrate kami sa paglakad.
Hindi pa din mabasa ang mga... Well, ang layo, mga 200 meters.
We
Hi guys! We're
survived!
up by Chanders! So, papunta na kami sa pupuntahan namin.
Mga ayaw kasi. Wala naman.
tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. With you, don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, oh quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true, nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good, I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open.
Ay, ganun yan ka-powerful.
Ito yung sisira ng pagkakaibigan
Hanggang
natin,
anong
guys.
max niyang plus na yan?
4 lang.
4 lang.
Oo naman, huwag ka nang...
Sa amin kasi 10 eh.
Lagyan niyo sa harap niyo.
Ito na ang final ground.
Sila na lang sila.
Tuwa ka.
Uno kasi na uno.
Yellow.
The yellow. At 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ayun na, manda ka namin.
Ay, tingnan mo, serious na siya ba? Tingnan mo.
Bakit na to?
Morning. It's our day 2.
Wala siyang rice.
Ngayon lang ako nag-video ng matino. Yung breakfast time. Ay, wow. Lemire January. Hello, mga kaubat. Tapos, ito kami ngayon sa, Taboan Market. Ay, Taboan Market.
What did you get there?
Piyaya.
Ah, piyaya.
Pero alam ko hindi yata sa Cebu Piyaya.
Iloilo.
Yeah.
Dun ay, lola ko.
Yung isa naming
Mom ko.
kaibigan. Ito yung laging pasalubong.
Okay. For context, taray. Cute. Uy, sabihin nyo ah. Sabihin nyo ah.
Hello, you guys!
Hi you guys, it's our last night.
Hi, you guys!
Hi, you guys. Here are my
Hello, you guys!
Here are my kaubans, garlic. Gamoy ka!
Present!
Hello,
you guys!
Parang ito, itong hindi. As in, hindi. Pero ako nila yung pakaon.
요즘 사람들은 항상 편지를 쓰지 않아 왜 문자 하나에 다 담길까 그 많은 얘기가 마주보고 하긴 어색한 마음 하얀 종이 위에 펜이 다 쓰니 용기내
Good morning. He lost it. No. Are you excited to go home? Wow. Okay, bye.
Sari, huwag mo ko isasama dyan na parang awa na lang.
Of course.
Sa sama ng loob niya mula graduation, kasama ka.
Hello, you guys! Hello, you guys! I'm leaving on a jet plane. I'm going home. Here my home, la la la. Yan na lang. Uwi na kami, guys. More. Miss. Pay number? Ay, ang ganda ng mukha mo. Our, what do you call it again? travel agency.
Pa-rate na lang po.
Thank you po. Okay. Say bye, Cebu.
Bye, Obek. See you, Siargao.
Sinabi niya na yun, wala nang buwian.
Yes.
Wala, nag-go na.
Waterproof na siya.
Hindi mo kasi yung gamit ko yung dalawa na.
From, Pampanga to Cebu. Hi guys, tumingin kayo. Nag-film viewing sila.
Ayun na! Mas malalim diba? Kaya hirap sila umakayat.
Nagpapamukha sa kanya.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. With you, don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, oh quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go.